Hello, me again. I'm here to tell you about one of our best sellers, our silver range. We've got our silver shampoo and our silver conditioner. What an absolute must have when you've got blonde hair. What's so nice about our silver shampoo, it's so different. It's so different than any other shampoo that's in any other range. Why it's such a unique shampoo. Obviously, don't wash with it every single time you do wash. This is your in-betweener. But guys, this contains acid violet and acid blue. So not only does this neutralize the yellow in the hair, but it neutralizes any warmth, any rustic tones that's in the hair, and will give that blonde the most ultimate shine, because it looks after the hair as well. And you can actually see in the color of it. Guys, you'll shampoo first with a normal shampoo, and your second wash would be on your Biosense silver shampoo. There we go, that's the pigment that's there, and the longer you leave this in, the more of a potent reaction it will have with the hair.